So?
Will you share some watermelon with Dad? Your best pal?
What are you talking about?
You don't,
all.
you're gonna eat it all? Can Dad have one piece of watermelon?
Oh, that's very sweet.
Thank you.
Aw.
Can I have one more piece of watermelon? One more for Dad? Can I have one big piece?
One big piece for Daddy. Well,
I
since
thought I
the
was your best pal.
hurricane
Thank you.
last year,
Thanks for sharing
here's
with
the
your
ocean.
Dad.
Here's our little setup. See, the tide is coming close to us, and there's nowhere to go.
No beach left.
There's no beach left.
A1A is about 30 feet behind me.
Yep. Where's the beach?
Yeah.
Where's the beach? Oh. There's the beach. But it's a beautiful day. There's the horsefly we gotta kill. We gotta get it.
Yeah, it's right there.
It is Monday and Johnny is off. And Johnny is off tomorrow.
Vacation Johnny. I take a lot of vacation because I get a lot of vacation.
Look at me for a minute.
Awesome. The perks
How about
of
me?
not getting a new
How
job.
about me?
How about you?
Look, no, you like it?
What do you have to say?
You put it on.
You're very grabby. Hold on. I'm making a video.
No.
What? Somebody needs a haircut. Big time. Look at that hair.
You gonna get a haircut today? What if Daddy doesn't want Dad to do it? Are you ever gonna get a haircut? Never again?
You're gonna grow your hair super long? No, you're not.
That might not be possible, kiddo.
Oh yeah. That would look very silly if you're bald on top.
Yeah, you're kind of already follically challenged at a young age. Sorry about that.
All right.
Otherwise, you know, everything else is going pretty good with you. Except, you know, when you smash your face on the coffee table.
Well, you're welcome for the wonderful face we gave you, since you are follically challenged. All right.